I'm Ashley.
And I'm Lauren. And this is Take 5 Working For You.
We're part of the new Take 5 crew.
You probably don't know us because we're new.
So let's go check out the new crew.
Do you know what YCP stands for?
No.
Neither do I.
Hello, sir. What is your name?
My name is Mr. Colston.
What do you do for the Gardner-Edgerton School District?
I am supervisor of the new Gardner-Edgerton Youth and Community Programs.
What are some of the current programs going on?
Currently, right now, we have volleyball leagues that range from kindergarten through adult. We also have our kickball tournament that is coming up this weekend. And then we also have a middle school dance team that is offered for 7th and 8th grade students.
Okay. What are some future programs?
Some future programs, we are getting ready to kick off some of our basketball sessions that are going to range from kindergarten all the way through adult. We are also going to be doing some different after-school enrichment activities and getting together some after-school clubs as well.
Okay, what is the goal of this entire program?
The goal for our program is to provide enrichment and different activities for youth and community members that are in and around our district. So not just people in our community, but people in surrounding districts as well.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. And don't forget to like YCP on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
I heard there's a rumor that the new sports run school.
I did too.
How do you feel about this upcoming volleyball season? What are you guys most looking forward to during this volleyball season?
The games, meeting new people.
This season, it is going to be great. You're going to want to check these girls out. We have some hard spiking, hard hitting, setting up and passing it up action going on. You need to come check us out.
What are you excited about cross country?
Beating Sergio.
Running. Probably running.
Racing my friends and other people.
What are you looking forward to most this season?
Stunting.
Getting to know all the 7th graders really well.
Tumbling and learning new techniques.
Favorite thing about football this year? Running the ball?
Tackling.
Pretty much everything. Tackling.
Hitting people.
Ashley, I think I'm ready for the pep assembly. Ashley? She must have already went. Let's go wave to the new 5th and 6th graders.
What is one word to describe your first day?
Excited. Crazy. Happy.
Fun.
Fun.
Boring.
Exciting. Excellent. Nervous.
What is one word to describe your first day?
Nerve-wracking.
Tiring. Long.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Awesome!
What is one word to describe your first day?
Boring.
Scared.
Fun.
Crazy.
Exciting.
Kind of nervous.
That was pretty cool.
It was.
And that was 5 things in less than 5 minutes. Take 5.